Welcome to mathematics class. Today's topic is fractions. Let's focus on fractions. The word fraction means part of a whole. The word comes from the Latin word fractio, meaning to break into pieces. In math, a fraction means one or more parts of a whole or a set. Mathematically, definition is the number of the form a by b, where a and b are natural numbers, are known as fractions. In a by b, we call a as numerator and b as denominator. Example, 3 by 5 is a fraction in which numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. There are various types of fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, equivalent fractions, vulgar fractions, mixed fractions, decimal fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions. Let us discuss one by one. Decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is any of the number 10, 100, 1000 is called a decimal fraction. Example, 3 by 10, 27 by 100, 31 by 1000 are the examples of decimal fractions. Vulgar fraction. A fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000 is called a vulgar fraction. Proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. Example, 1 by 4. In this case, numerator is less than denominator, so it is a proper fraction. 5 by 4. In this, numerator is greater than denominator, so it comes under improper fraction. Mixed fraction. A number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and the proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Example, 2 1 by 3. In this, 2 is a natural number and 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. Equivalent fractions. A given fraction and the fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number are called equivalent fractions. Example, 3 by 4, 6 by 8, 9 by 12, 12 by 16 are all equivalent fractions because while cancellation of 3 by 8, 9 by 12, 12 by 16, we again get the fraction 3 by 4. Like fractions. Fractions having the same denominator but different numerators are called like fractions. Unlike fractions. Fraction having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Here in all denominators is same. Therefore, it's a like fraction. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Here all the denominators are different. So, it comes under unlike fractions. Irreducible fractions. A fraction a by b is said to be irreducible or in lowest term if HCF of a and b is 1. Reducible fractions. If HCF of a and b is other than 1, then a by b is said to be reducible. Here we can further reduce 3 by 6, so it comes under reducible fraction. 5 by 6 we can't reduce, so it comes under irreducible fraction. Mathematical operations on fractions. Addition of fractions. Addition of fraction when with like denominators. When denominators are same, we have to add the numerators and we can get the answer. Adding fractions with unlike denominators. In this, in first step, we have to find out the LCM of denominator. In second step, we have to make the denominators same by multiplying the proper number. Fourth step, add the numerators, we can get the answer. Subtraction of fractions. When denominators are same, simply we can subtracting the numerators, we can get the answer. Subtraction of fraction with unlike denominators. In this, in first step, we have to find out the LCM. In second step, we have to make the denominators equal. In third step, we have to subtract the numerator. And in fourth step, after simplification, we can get the answer. Multiplication of fractions. The rule is whenever we are multiplying, first we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Example, here numerator is 2 and 3. So in first step we have to multiply the numerator. In second step we have to multiply the denominator, that is 5 into 4. And in third step we can get the answer by reducing the fraction. Division of fractions. The rule is replace division with multiplication and do the reciprocal of the second fraction. Example, here we have to divide 4 by 5 by 2 by 3. So first replace the division sign by multiplication sign. And in second step, reciprocal the fraction that you are dividing by. In third step, multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And in fourth step, after simplification, we can get the answer. So let's recap. Today we learned about fractions, definition of fractions, various types of fractions with example, and mathematical operations on fractions. Thank you.